From worker to trader, day number 18. Today it will be very interesting just because I'm trying to figure it out what I need to do. Very weird start from the video, but anyways, let's start from the bias. Let's start from the bias. Uh, Wait a sec. Boom, 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 boom. I don't understand why the trading view doesn't work. Like, look at this bullshit. I'm just trying to figure it out and why? Okay, let's see. Nasdaq. So it's working, right? Everything is fine. Wait, indicators. Yesterday I tried some indicators just to understand what's going on. Let's see indicators. Asian London highs. Of course, it's premium. Bullshit. Asian and London highs. Let's see. It should be here. A. No way. Um. Okay. Okay. London, New York sessions. What? Everything is premium. Wait. Yesterday it wasn't like that. Yesterday everything was fine. Um. London. London session, high and lows. London session. For real? It's fucking insane. Anyways, I today I just tried to use my micro contracts. I never did this, like Nasdaq. I never did micro contracts just to understand what's the size of this and all that stuff. Uh, I don't like my mouse. She doesn't work at all. Anyways, so what I see, it's very strong level. I saw very strong level here and here. It's the same level. But that was fake breakout. That was fake breakout. In my opinion, we want to break this a little bit more, but maybe in the future. Let's say we have this level with the fake breakout too is the same level as here. Not, it's not the same. Okay, no problem. What about the biggest time frame? What about the biggest time frame? Wow, wow, wow. Okay. If the price hits the level 3 or 4 times in the wait, if the price already hits the level 3 times, probably in the 4 or 5 time, she will break this level. But at the same time, it's not one line, right? We already took this liquidity here. We already took this liquidity here. Probably maybe we want to take this liquidity, or we want, let me see, what's the time for Asian session? It's probably something around 2 a.m. So what about 2 a.m.? Wow, what? Why? Why I'm sound so weird? So we have pretty nice levels here. Maybe we want to do them too. Let me see about the micro contract. The micro contract. Never did this. NQ micro. For example, I want to sell. It will be just test, guys. It will be
Order
just
filled.
for real. Hmm. Not bad. Not bad. Um.
Order filled.
Mhm. $200 risk management. Okay. $200 risk management, that's okay. For the for what? It's good risk management for the funded account, but not for this. I already lose $70. I don't like that. Okay. Mm, in my opinion, it's very interesting trap for buyers. They buy in this price here, but if we want to go lower, we should take this liquidity first. We should take this liquidity first, and then goes down. What about the levels? What about the levels? We break this, bounce from this level. What about 1 day? In one day, it's completely not understandable what we are trying to do. At the same day, I mean at the same time, it in one day we usually trying to fill it out the fair value gap. The fair value gap, like look here, we just go up and then we goes down a little bit, touch the fair value gap over here. I will show you. Boom. Here fair value gap. We a little bit touch this fair value gap, but we didn't touch this fair value gap, this fair value gap. Wait, this maybe probably, but three times we touched this level. Three times it's a lot. It's a lot, bro. Uh, what about the highest highs? Maybe we want to took some levels. Probably levels over here. Probably levels over here. Probably there is no way we will go here, right? Just because we already took some liquidity here. Boom, boom. Okay, then what we have? We have one fair value gap here. Okay. The buyers for today, not completely understandable. Like it's something, I don't know, something plus minus, something plus minus. Mm, I see only two opportunities. The first one is to go here for these levels. Why? It's to go here for these levels. Probably it's the zone of the levels over here. Or just to goes down. Just to goes down. I think it's the fake, how that goes? Fake correction, fake retest. Mm-mm, mm-mm. It's a fake movement before we can break this level, in my opinion. But at the same time, we want to take this liquidity first and then goes down. Okay. If I want to open my trade, I want in the long position, I can open my trade right now. But no, I should wait for the second candle. What about 1 minute? What about 1 minute? It's not like in the middle of nowhere. We're trying to go and took this liquidity first, because that was London session highs. It was London session highs. London session lows we already took, so yeah, okay.
Order filled.
Why it said order filled? Wait, just below this candle. Very tiny stop loss, very tiny stop loss. It's a very tiny movement. I'm just trying to figure it out why it's so tiny. Why it's so tiny, bruh? At least it should be here. Okay. Actually, that was very fast trade. I mean, I opened my trade without two confirmations. I mean, from this candle, it should be it should be two candles for the confirmation. Right now, I'm just, open my trade in the middle of nowhere. Um, what about news? Today it's not, it shouldn't be some news. 9:15, a little bit of news, but not too much. Mm, it's not strong reason for opened this trade. If it was funded account, I should not open this trade. It's like C setup. Just wanna see some movement until this level. You know what I mean? hmm but it can be trap for everyone.
Order filled.
I don't like this idea. I mean, I shouldn't be in this trade. It's bullshit. I should wait until my confirmation. It should not be like that. Like it's really like C setup, or I don't know, like C minus setup. Absolutely a bullshit thing to open my trade. I should wait for confirmation. For example, for highest highs here. Okay, that's nice. That's nice, but at the same time, I really understand that a lot of people they want to take this, and I close my trade here. Anyway, that was C setup. We should not trade C setups, so that was nice decision to close this trade. I don't fucking care. For real, like, what's the point of open this trade if I have only one thing in my head that we wanna take this liquidity? Wow, let's open my trade in the middle of nowhere without any confirmation. It's bullshit. I don't like this idea. Of course, it's like a little bit uncomfortable to see this price action after I close my trade somewhere here. Like, really? EU? But it is what it is. Mm, now here I'm training one of the most powerful skills for the trader. It's waiting. I'm waiting here. Um, so stupid actually. Just wait. Wait for the confirmation. Mhm. Mhm. Because we want to go here. Like, it's the whole point of the movement. So that was okay to open here my trade, but I'm just waiting for the really big as fuck red candle and then I can decide to open or to wait a little bit more because it should be confirmation. It shouldn't be like let's open my trade like in the middle of nowhere, right? Alright, I'm not sure on this movement, so let's open yeah. Let's open our yo, come on, what the hell? Shut up. Uh,
Order filled.
I'm not sure if it's working like that. I mean, why we already almost break this level here? What the hell is my risk management, bro? Why it's $840? Mm, it's a very greedy trade, bro.
Order filled.
It shouldn't be like that. Wait, wait for the confirmation. Don't rush. Why it's completely different? Fucking, I don't understand. Why it's completely different? It's absolutely not the same. Or is the same? I don't understand why I'm risking here $800. Like, why when I close my trade, it's always happened like this? Why? Anyways, wait, Max. What the hell are you doing, bro?
Order filled.
Mm, where is the level? Here? Okay. Um, that was like really risky trade in the previous time when I saw this stop loss with $800. I was like, no, it shouldn't be like that. It shouldn't be like that. Why with the two contracts I'm risking only with $200? Who knows? Who knows? I don't like this format trade that I'm just close trade here. Then I had this movement and I was like, okay, we should take this. Bullshit situation, you know. Hmm. Now we can start consolidation or something. For about 1 minute. What we have. It could be everything. It's nice experience to open the trade when you're not sure in the micro contracts and to open the trade when you're sure in 100% when it's A plus setup in the just regular Nasdaq. Because right now, like if the price will give me the biggest fog candle, I will be like, okay, that's okay. I did my $200, right? But if the candle will be biggest fog red candle, I will fix my $173 negative trade. That's absolutely fine with me. Absolutely okay. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. What about the news? I said it will be at 9:15, but it's just orange news. It's not red news, which is fine. Okay, we have movement. Um, I can open my trade in the regular Nasdaq if it will give me the really good opportunity to open the trade, like if it will be a really good entry. But right now it's completely not good entry, you know what I mean? Because like we're already in the highest high. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. But at the same time, we don't try to push down, right? Which means we probably could take some liquidity here. We probably could take some liquidity. Mm-hmm. Yeah, go, go, go. But we're really very nicely pushing this price. Okay, very nice. I'm just waiting. I want to see my stats for yesterday. How many trades I did? 5 trades, bro, yesterday. 12 trades in the Monday. 5 trades yesterday. 3 trades today. Uh, yeah, everything's fine. So, let's see.
Order filled.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, pretty nice.
Order filled.
4 contracts. It will be 488. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Now we just wait. What about levels? Yeah, let's see. What's the levels on the 15 minutes time frame? Mm, I don't like this. I don't like this. We just in the. Ugh. So I'm just literally opened my trade in the highest highs. I'm fine. We already could reverse the trend and goes down after this huge movement, but it's not. It doesn't make sense because we have a lot of levels here, and look at these levels, bro. Highest high, a little bit lower high, a little bit lower high. If we want to go somewhere, we will go here, you know? Pretty nice situation. Pretty nice. I see that when the price started to pushing down, we usually what? We usually have a reaction. We usually have reaction here. In the 15 minutes time frame, it's so full. In the 30 minutes time frame, it's okay. in the 1 hour time frame, that's fine. That's fine. If we want to reverse the trend, I mean, if we want to continue goes down, we should take this liquidity. Like, oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm not feel comfortable today. I don't know why. I'm not feel comfortable at all. Like something, something I don't like. For example, I don't quite understand why the price still not pushing here, like after big impulse. I don't know, something feels weird inside me. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like this. So, might take profit pretty nice level over here. Okay. Mm, 1 minute. Mm, 22, 676. 22, 676. My stop loss over here. We could take this liquidity before we can go sub, take this liquidity and then goes down, or we can reverse a little bit trend and goes for these highs too. Mm, not sure, not sure. And it's still safe C setup. I don't like this setup at all. Like we have level of support here, pretty strong level. And if we want to go higher, we should be here above this level. But we break this level, boom, goes down, and then trying to goes back to this level. Mm, I don't know, maybe. I don't know, I don't know, I don't know. In my head, I want to do like $1,100 to reach my funded account, but I'm not sure. I'm not sure how it works. I'm not sure how it works. I mean, $1,100 for 1 day, it's not too much money, right? But it's a big risk. Like yesterday, I had stop losses something around 400 in the regular account. Today, my stop loss in the regular account it's $800. When the stop loss not very very tiny. I mean, not with the $800, it was really tiny stop loss. For example, here with 4 contracts, I have stop loss $333 at the same spot, which is really interesting. Which is really interesting. Probably when I will reach my funded account, I will use micro contracts. Micro contracts because it's really nice. It's really nice thing to do. Okay, we push, 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 push. We're pushing the price. We're pushing the price. Do I want to switch to the regular account? And if I will switch to the regular account, I will put my stop loss here, below this candle. Or should I wait? Because if we like look here, I will explain you my thoughts in my head. If we will go here, then goes down, boom, boom, and we will be here. I will open my trade plus minus here on the downside. Because if we will go here, then retest this level, and then boom breaks, I will get my money. Or we will go down and break these levels again, I will take my money. So in the two scenarios, in that case, I will open my trade in the regular account here, with the regular price. But right now, it's not A plus setup, which means I don't like risk more than $300 here. And it's pretty nice that we have this opportunity. I don't know why, after 1 month, after I blew two accounts, two funded accounts, uh, I was like, I didn't understand that we can use micro contracts. It's just really nice situation to use micro contracts. It's just very, very nicely thing to do. Because when you have draw down $2,000, it's just insane. For example, when I was trading in the funded account, I always was scared because of this drawdown. Like after one or two minus trades, I was like, but here we can do like three minus trades with the one contract, and it will be equal one minus trade in the regular size, which is really fine, which is really cool. Like if today is not your day, it will be absolutely fine to go tomorrow, you know? That's pretty nice. And with specifically with these setups, like why I'm trying to risk with the A plus setup and C plus setup the same amount of money. It does make sense, right? So right now it's C setup, maybe B setup because the price should go somewhere, right? And the price going to the previous day liquidity, which is B setup, I guess. It's not C setup, it's B setup. And I don't wanna risk more than $333 on the trade. So for the B setup. If it will be A setup, I will risk with probably $500, something like this. And my take profit will be something around 1 grand. But if the price will give me $700 and started to reverse, I will take my $700. I guess it makes sense after a couple of days in a row, my stop loss was taken, but my take profit wasn't, just because I didn't take my 1 to 1.3 or 1.4 risk to reward. So yeah. The price moves very slowly. Very, very slowly. Come on, bro. Why so slowly? Why so slow? If we will hit. I'm sorry, guys. Ow. If we will hit $524, should I close my platform for today or no? Because the price moves very slowly, which means if sorry guys, if I will hit my sorry, my thoughts like very a lot of thoughts in my head at the same time. So what I'm thinking right now, if we will hit my take profit here, for my understanding, like I want to open one more trade because it's $524. It's pretty nice amount of money, right? But I'm trying to rush a little bit my funded account. For the funded account, $524. That's pretty nice. But for the evaluation account, it's something like it's pretty nice too, right? It's pretty nice too. But I have minus $190 in the without reason, you know. So I'm trying to get this money back and a little bit more, which is very stupid decision. Like it shouldn't. It sh these stats should be in your head. Shouldn't. Just because it's very, very, very stupid, really. But if I have this account here, after one trade, I will have something around 1 grand or $800, which is really fine. Which is really fine. But the risk management, oof. Uh, okay, we still waiting. So it's the problem with this account. In my regular size, after one interesting and very good trade, I can close the platform and go some chill. Here, after one trade, maybe I will think about open the second trade. but I should go in my job, so probably not. I will not be able to open the next trade. Okay. Yeah, we have $51,900 in our account. Almost, almost. If I will close today with plus $400, it will means nobody's saying this. It will means it will means. Anyways, I will shoot to close the next day with plus minus $600, right? Yeah, something around 600, $700, which is fine. Like, it's not a big amount of money for the A plus setup. For the A plus setup, it's like this. Today we're oh today I didn't see the A plus setup. Okay, do we want to do some correction or something? We have levels over here. It's very strong reaction here. But we already break these levels here, and right now we're trying to go to these levels. Look at this 15 minutes time frame. It's so scary to open this trade right now for anybody, right? But I am already in the trade and it's really nice. It's really nice. Not with the regular size, but it shouldn't be like this with the regular size because it's not a plus setup. And I don't understand why I'm trying to say this to you every fucking second. Why I'm trying to explain you A plus setup, B plus setup. It's only what I know? No. It's only what I know? No. My English is perfect. Anyway, I feel a little bit nervous right now. I feel a little bit nervous even when I should be calm with this specifically with this money. For example, if I want to target $1,000, it will be here. Mm, Probably we will not go here. But we didn't take this liquidity before, and here lots of liquidity too, like for here from the Asian session or London session. But we took liquidity from the bottom side. Who knows? Who knows? Um, hmm, hmm. hmm Very nice movement. A very nice movement. hmm We almost have one-to-one risk to reward. Mm. It feels so nice when the price really goes in your side. Like you really understand why you opened the trade. You really understand what's your risk management. You really understand what you need to do. It's pretty nice. It's really nice feeling. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. If we will give some corrections here, I could open my trade in my another side. What I said, I can open my trade in the regular size. Wait, 9.15. 9.15. Wait, there is no news absolutely for today. Anyway, okay, we have this zone and this zone. It seems like wishful thinking as reality, but I will not be able to just take this money. I will move my stop loss and then we will see. Or if we will have some really big movement here and then reaction, I will just close my trade. We'll see how it goes. Actually, the right decision after this trade, it's really just to close the platform. Or if we will have some really nice reaction to bottom side, I will consider, never never used this word before. I will think about open my regular size trade from this for this level. Like we break this level, yeah, we break this level, but it seems like bullshit for real. It's almost the same level. It's almost the same level. It's a very nice sign to break this level. You know what I mean? Okay, okay, guys, what we are trying to do. Oh, okay. Fucking FOMO trade, first trade. Ah, it's not FOMO trade, it was here, bruh. My first take profit was here plus $1,000. And now, anyway, I should not think about it, bruh. Don't think about it. Everything is fine. You open your trade, you have plus 300. 300? Who is fucking Henry? Plus $340, which is fine, which is really nice. Like for real. I'm working in the job for like plus minus $100 for the day, maybe eight, maybe 1800. What? 18? No, just $80 for the day, and I have plus $300, and it was like, it's not too much. Shut up, Max. Okay, okay. Mhm. Yeah, 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 sure. Yeah, 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 sure. Mhm. Sure. Mhm. Sure. Mhm. I would like to check my stats real quick. They win. Even here, my average lose is $289 and my average win is $400. Pretty nice. Base day of total profit 57%. Whatever. Profit factor. Gain. who knows? 55% of the trade wins. 55%. Why we doing this? I don't like this candle, bruh. Whatever. Most profitable day was Tuesday, $1,000. Best trade was plus $900, which is fine, which is really nice. Win rate under 50 seconds. It's not very nice statistic, absolutely, actually. I mean, you didn't see all the numbers, right? Short, long. 12 trades, bruh. 5 trades, that's okay. 5 trades to my strategy when I just can close my trade. When it's like I didn't like the trade, and I will be like, okay, I will close this trade, for example, like here. But what I'm thinking right now, my trade here was not about money. It was about trade. Uh, I will explain. Usually, I'm waiting for the confirmation. For example, two candles in the bottom side. It calls bullish flag. It's very often working. And after this, if we will have highs, you can open your trade. But here, I just opened my trade after. Sorry. Okay. Here, I opened my trade in the middle of fucking nowhere. That's the reason why I closed my trade. For example, in the next case scenario, we could absolutely easily bounce from this level of support and this area of support. I mean, it's the resistance of the level of the resistance, and then goes down and break this level, which will be absolutely surprising for everybody. And for those who knows about the liquidity, it will be surprising too. But now everything okay, and I can literally move my stop loss very nicely because we didn't have a correction like on the 50% of the movement. I will show you what I mean. Uh, for example, like here, if you will move your stop loss, he will be taken. Or here, look at here. For example, you open your trade here. The price goes up, you move your stop loss here, boom, price hits your stop loss. For example, you open your trade, you move your stop loss here, then probably here. Okay, the price didn't hit, but if it's 50% of the movement, she will hit your stop loss. Then goes up, like it's very choppy price action was. So, but the perfect situation to for stop loss is here. You can just move your stop loss to the top of each candle. Then we have consolidation. Your stop loss should be somewhere here. The price didn't hit your stop loss, and boom, she goes down. Okay. Do we break the level? Not yet. Not yet. Mm. It's the same, right? Probably yes. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. You know why I didn't use the filters on the microphone? Because I could scream or something like this, but I don't like scream right now because it's morning. I'm just woke up every morning to do some crazy stuff with trading. Now what I'm thinking about, we will break this level probably like 100%, something around 100%, maybe 100 plus 10%, 110%, 110%, 110%, yeah. Up. And then the question is, we will be able to break this level and goes down, or we will be able to break this level, up, retest this level, and then goes up, or we can break this level, fake break this level twice. Everyone will open their trades in the bottom side, I mean in the short position, and then we can go stop. Three scenario. In the which scenario, it will be really hard to understand what the price will do. It is what it is. Ah, So, 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 so. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit crazy today because it's morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. What a beautiful trade. Very interesting liquidity here. We should take this liquidity from here, but we're not. I don't know why. So that's a lot of liquidity on this zone, like really a lot, because that was previous days. Wait, what about really previous day? Yeah, the previous day's highs. Um, wow. Whoa. It probably, like, for example, we could go there, but the probability of this move not very high. Oh shit. I almost should go in my job. I don't know what I want to eat today. I don't have a lot of food, and I should wait until we will break this level. Just imagine the situation that we just goes to this level and nobody gives a fuck.
Order filled.
Now we wait. Why we need to wait? That's okay. I already closed my trade. Absolutely fine. A little bit not satisfied. A little bit. But wow, wow. Um, I was in the market for 1 hour and I did my money. That's it, bro. How many trades? Percentage of the win for me? 56. It's direction, it's not the win. Losing over average 290, 289, 351. Okay. Total number of the trades. My active day. Okay, okay. You know, when you're not satisfied, it's very, really very, how that calls? Very dangerous. Fucking bro, you try to remember the word dangerous. So it's very dangerous when you're not satisfied. In the first part of the day, I was really scared, or I felt really not nice for today. So, for example, I not for example, I should operate on my personal feelings. If I feel really not good for today, just close the trade. Just close the platform. Everything is fine. I should hit $700 more for the funded account, but probably I will not be able to do this today. I did 6 trades. I didn't have a perfect setup in the market. I did not. Right now we can do everything. Like I told you, we can break this level goes down, we can do fake breaks this level, then goes up, or we can just retest this level. Too many things. Too many things that we could do, you know? So, so, um, I'm okay with that. After these simples, we goes up more and more, but without me, without me. Hmm, it's dangerous. I really understand myself. It's really dangerous, Max. Just calm down, breathe air. Control yourself. You did 6 trades. Absolutely fine. Absolutely okay. Yeah, I will close my trade for today. I did my decision. I We break the levels that we are trying to find, and now we can go on the job because it's a time. I don't want to see the charts in my job or something like this. So yeah, always think about your mental health. If you feel not comfortable, if you feel that you should close your trade, you should close your platform, just do it, you know? Okay, yeah, I'm fine. Alright guys, thank you for watching this part of video. It was day number 17, right? Or 18? Wait, what's the last part of the video? It was day number 16. The next day will be, yeah, today was day number 18. I'm really glad that you are watching me. Look at these views, bro. Almost every video hits 300 views, and a little bit down. Look at these views, bro. Thank you for your thank you for your support, guys. Mwah. All right, see you.